Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Drivers. And in today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most important topic in Tableau, that is level of details, which we call it as LODs. So let's get started. Let me quickly share my screen. Just a minute. Okay, yeah. So LOD before before I'll start with the LOD concept, I'll just quickly give you a brief intro about the LOD. So basically, LOD level of details is what? Level of details is specifying the level of level of granularity in your data. Let's say I have one sales. So this, if I drag it, this will show me the overall sales for this particular superstore data set. This is the very less granularity is here. And if I drag the category, so now what will happen is sales is splitted on the basis of the category. So for furniture, it is showing the individual sales. For office supply, it is showing the individual sales. For technology, it is showing the individual sales. However, if you sum all these three, the sum is same, which we have earlier, that is 2326534. Let me do. If I remove this 2326534, so now this is at the granular level. We have added one granularity. We have added one segregation, you can say. So we are showcasing the sales. Now, if I further want to drill down inside the category, so let's say I've introduced subcategory as well. Now it will show me the sales based on subcategories. Though overall sales will still remain the same, but now the sales is further divided on the basis of the subcategory, and the total of the subcategory will give you the furniture total, that is the category total, and the total of all the category will give you the overall total. So let's say if I talk about one, I'll do this total. So this is something 754748, and if I remove this, furniture is 754748. So this is again, we have added another level of granularity, which we which we have which we called it as LODs as well. So basically, LODs provides you the detailed information when on the basis of the granularity in your data. So there are three types of LODs. One is your fixed LOD, second is your exclude LOD, and third is your include LOD. So basically, what fixed LOD do is fixed LOD just fixed your dimension, and on the basis of it, you can apply all the aggregations and all the formulas. So this is how it works. So let's say I have one scenario where I have category, where I have region, and I'm showcasing the sales. Now there is a specific requirement. Let's if there is a specific requirement where I want the sales on the basis of the cat category. If I just simply let me remove this field from here right now. If I just simply put category and region, so it will show me the sales on the basis of the region here. Okay. Now my requirement is to showcase the regional sales plus in the other column, I should get the sales based on categories. So what we can do is we can add this particular field which I've already created. So this is the workbook which I've already created. I am just showing you for the reference, and we'll share the link as well. So, so this is the fixed LOD which we have created, which I've named it as category wise sales. Let me showcase the calculation here. So this is the syntax for fixed LOD. So for fixed LOD, let me just showcase you here as again. We will use the fixed keyword, then our then our dimension we will include, then the aggregation. Let me show you here. So this is your fixed keyword followed by your dimension. You can include one dimension, two dimension as per your requirement, and then the aggregation, and this will be inside the curly braces. Okay. So now here we want the sales based on the category. So what I have done is I have just fixed the category here in the calculation. I have used the fixed keyword. I have written the I've taken the category dimension here, then sum of sales. So now what will happen is this is showing me the category wise sales, or let me rename this as a category sales. Just a minute. I'll rename this as category sales. Mm, no, let it be right now this, and this is your regional sales. So in the single view, we have both the sales available. One is my regional sales and another is my category sales. So let's say in is a requirement that in the single view, if you have to showcase the both the sales based, so one is let's say category sales where it will remain the same, and then the regional sales. So here you can do this. So fixed LOD is pretty much straightforward concept. So there will be no confusion, I think. So I'll just move to the next one, that is your include LOD. So let's say you want to showcase the average sales based on subcategory without bringing the subcategory in your visualization. So in this way, in this scenario, we will use include LOD. So basically what include LOD do is it includes the dimension in your calculation, and you don't need to include that again in your visualization. So I have a very clear scenario over here, that is, let's say we have category and we are showcasing the currently the average sales. Let me rename this as average sales. So we are showcasing the average sales for each category. But apart from this average sales, now the requirement is apart from this average sales, I want the sales based on subcategory as well. So I am showcasing the average sales for the category, plus I need to showcase the subcategory wise sales as well. So what we will do is, so this is the calculated field which I have created. So I'll open this. So again, so I have used the for fixed, we have the fixed keyword. For include LOD, we have the include keyword. And again, the dimension we need to include. Then the aggregation. So I've written it as include, then subcategory, and I'm showcasing the sales based on subcategory. That is the average sales I'm showcasing. I'm showing the average sales. So I have taken the average of sales. And if you see the syntax here again, then include, then dimension one, dimension two, then your aggregation inside the curly braces. So this is what it is doing. It is showing you this average sales of furniture category 342 and average sales category wise as subcategory wise as well. So let's say I'll showcase it here to get the more clear picture. So inside the furniture category, we have bookcases, chair, furnishing, and table. So if I do this, so to- this is the sum of average 1760, and what it is showing the average 1760. Now if I come to this sheet, the office supply average for average sales for office supply subcategory and under its subcategories. is 1096, 1096. Now, so this is 4360, 4360. And however, if I want to look the average sales for these three, so what we can do is I'll just remove this. 342 is the average sales, 119 is the average sales for office supply, and 450 for this. So this is about include LOD, which is also a straightforward concept. So include LOD, I'll repeat it. What it do is it includes the dimension in your calculation so that you don't want so that you don't need to require that particular dimension in your visualization and get the same view. So this is about your include LOD. And let's quickly jump to our another concept that is exclude LOD. So basically, exclude LOD is just like is opposite of your include LOD. In exclude LOD, what we do is we exclude that particular dimension instead of including it. So I'll show you the another scenario here. Let's say I have region, I have category. Let's consider this first block first, region and category. So this is showing you the category wise sales for each region. Now, another my one requirement is I need to show the sales based on category, means this furniture, office supply, this technology. So I need to show the sales based on this category. So what I'll do is I'll I'll write one calculation for exclude LOD, showcase you the calculation. So again, syntax and keywords syntax also will remain the same. In exclude, then dimension, then your aggregation inside the curly braces. Now, what we need to show the sales based on category. So what we will do is we'll just exclude, then we'll exclude the region because this we don't want to consider. Then sum of sales and then region. Just a minute. I think this one is for the region. Yes. Okay. So I'll open it again. So this will include, sorry, this will exclude the region and will showcase you the sales based on subcategory. Sorry, category wise sales inside the region. So this will be your category sales. So for central region, sales is this much for furniture category and this. And in the same way, if we want to showcase the sales based on category, so sorry, based on region, so this will be your regional sales. What we have done is we have written the same calculation, just the dimension has got changed here. So exclude category, so we are excluding the category and sales. So this sales would be on your regional level basis, this on the basis of your category. Now, to verify this, I'll just show you one more thing. I'll include region. So, category wise sales for central region 164538, and here what we are getting 164538 and 162, 168, 168, Now, if I remove this, central regions region wise sales 503171. Are we getting this? Yes, 503171. So this is your regional level sales. Then 691,828, 691,828, 391,722, 391,722, and 739814, 739814. I'll include the category here to verify the other one as well, and I'll remove the region. So 754748, 754748. Office supplies 731893, 731893. Then 839893, 839893. So now there is one interesting thing if you notice. So for if when we are showcasing the sales while excluding the category, right? While excluding the region, sorry. So we have excluded the region here. So it is this particular sales is getting repeated on the basis of for every region. 754,731,839, 754,731,839, 754,731,839. So this is getting repeated for Central, East, South, West, and vice versa when we have excluded the regions. So this category sales is now is now getting repeated for every region. So this is all about your exclude LOD concept. So in the next video, we'll discuss some of the common scenarios for LODs where we can implement. So that will be our next topic on which I will be uploading video soon. And hope you like this video. Request you to kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel so that it gives me the motivation to upload the videos again and again and bring you the quality concept. And also, if you have any questions, you can drop me an email. We'll definitely help you. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye and have a great day ahead. Thank you.